Welcome to the Edwardian Hotel, a luxury five-star hotel located in Deansgate, Manchester. This is a Radisson collection hotel and we're staying in a premium room. We'll be taking you on a tour of this hotel room and also the hotel facilities. Is that something you want to watch? Keep watching. Let's see what the room looks like. Come in. So once you come into this room, you're met with this walkway. It's not too long, but it's quite useful because there's also a mirror here, full length mirror. You get to see yourself look all cute before you step outside to Manchester City. So this hotel room feels so luxurious and it has a lot of artwork. This is one as well. And once you go this way, you're also met with this station here. You can use it as your reading station, whatever you want, and it's also Precious's birthday, so say happy birthday to him down in the comment section. So yeah, the hotel were nice enough to treat us to this mini dessert, and also they left him a birthday card. The card also has the main entrance of the Edwardian Hotel, which is quite nice. A very nice touch. This is why you should stay in this hotel. They're quite nice. So yeah, when you come this way, we have the TV facing the bed, and then we have some storage in here. You get cups, you get coffee mugs, you also get electric kettle, and you also get like an espresso machine here with the coffee pod, so that's great. Just underneath the storage here we have the fridge. The fridge comes with complimentary water, but if you want any other thing you can call the bar and order downstairs. This area of the room is where you can sit down and just relax. I really love this seat. It's a nice contrast to the room, and I was spending a lot of time on this chair, and we have an amazing view of Manchester. That's a nice touch. And like we said, the artwork in the room, this is quite lovely, and I really like this lamp. It's a nice take. So the room comes with a king size bed, and honestly the bed looks so clean. That's one thing we've noticed about the hotel. Everything is thoroughly clean. The cups are wrapped, the spoons are wrapped, which is a nice touch. And the only thing I think I don't like about this is the fact that the bed is low, but other than that, nice. So just on the wardrobe itself, there's another mirror, a good touch, and we get robes because another part of this hotel you want to see is the spa area. That is the reason why we booked this hotel. So we'll be needing this to go use the spa, and also you have more storage space. There's a lot in there, so I'm just going to close it. And then the safe is also in there. You also get slippers in there as well. As much as the room itself is quite nice, this is my favorite area because this is where I'll be doing all my makeup. It's so clean. And you get body lotion and a hand wash here, and you have this mirror, and this is also where the hair dryer is, which is quite convenient for getting ready. So now we're showing you what the bathroom and the shower looks like. So yeah, let's go see that. So once you walk into the bathroom, you can hear it echoing already. This is where the toilet region is. You also get a bath mat, and it's quite useful because the room comes with both a shower and a bathtub. So just behind me is the shower. It has a mirror here, conditioner, shampoo, bath and shower gel, which is everything you will need. And then all you need to do is do this, and you stop water from coming out. And just behind the door, we have the bathtub here, which is nice. You get to use this and relax. And even though this hotel has a spa, you can also relax in your room. We'll be showing you the rest of the hotel now.